Welcome my vlog guys. Ngayon may nakuha. So welcome my vlog guys. Ngayon may nakuha kami sa Tom's World. Ano?
Whitney ikaw? Pasok doon.
Whitney!
Whitney! Nagkakaya rin. Uy, lalabas yung phone. Iangat na yung ano. Ibon.
Sisiw yan eh. Daddy, yung nakita ko ng tumpo eh. Tumpo ko. Walang gunting. Ay, gamitin ko lang.
Eh, gusto nyo. Nasa may upuan na yan. No, sa pilid.
Saan?
Nakita mo?
No.
Ayan o. Bobo talaga ito eh. Ayan, nandiyan. Tagalin mo yung damit na pink. Yung paldang pink.
Ayun. Sayang, gagamitin ko. Sayang, gagamitin ko ng tumpo ko. Ah.
Ay.
Good. Oh, it can transform. Okay. How is this? Oh, there's things.
Hindi makulit ka. Bumaba ka dyan. Isa. Ikaw. Doon pa tayo.
Doon ka matulog.
Nalaglag ah.
Saan yung diary?
Hindi ko po lang.
Ano yung cellphone ko?
May nalaglag dyan.
Ay, ko yung
Oh,
nilaglag.
this can... Saan ba yung nalaglag? Ballpen? Ay,
Isa.
gets ko na, Mi. Ito yung pinaka nauna. Yung nakuha ko yung crane. Ay, yung nakuha ko crane.
Abubuhin mo siya, hindi siya ano.
Okay.
Kanyang coke.
This is fun.
Sa freezer.
Ito, baby Britney.
Kaya rin hindi nagagawang crane.
Nagagawang crane. So, this is the transformation. Britney! Tinaway mo na may masis, you know. So, we're gonna transform it again.
Sabit mo ako ng cellphone.
Kailangan mo.
Ilang bagal mag-vlog, ba't di mo na pinapakita yan?
Kailangan talaga.
Tatama rin na yung manonood sa'yo niyan pag ganyan. Stop mo muna, kita ko.
Huh?
Stop mo.
Yun, guys. So, transform natin ulit. It is it, yeah. And he has a sword. We're gonna use my trumpo, so thank you, trumpo. Let's go. And he has a sword like that, like that, like that, like this. My old thing when I was 5. At the Medel Family vlog. So search that, guys. Oh, pwede ito ma-remove. Pwede ito gamitin. Oh, no. This is only for alcohol. This is cool. This is kind of cool. Oh, baliktad. Ano? How the hell? Yan. No. So this is it. And there's a thing. And there's a thing you can see. Like this, like that. My old version, yeah. There's gonna be a stop animation like a next day. Tomorrow. Bye.